What started as a routine weekend hike quickly turned strange when five friends realized their GPS devices were showing impossible coordinates. Their compasses spun wildly, the sun appeared to be in different positions depending on where they stood, and their trail markers seemed to lead in circles. As they ventured deeper into the woods, gravity began to behave strangely. Rocks hovered mid-air, water flowed uphill, and their own movements felt lighter, as if the Earth's pull had weakened. Light bent around trees, creating impossible shadows and rainbow-colored patterns that shifted with each step they took. Time started behaving oddly, too. Their watches showed different hours. Some ran backward, and moments seemed to stretch or compress unpredictably. In one section of the forest, they discovered trees that grew and aged before their eyes, while nearby a squirrel moved so slowly it seemed frozen in time. Sound behaved strangely, too. Their voices sometimes echoed before they spoke. Whispers traveled for miles, while shouts were muffled as if underwater. As night fell, much faster on one side of the forest than the other, the stars above formed impossible constellations that shifted and rearranged themselves as they watched. The hikers eventually found their way out when they stopped trying to follow normal rules of navigation and instead followed patterns in the moss that grew in impossible fractal shapes, leading them back to familiar territory. Back in the regular world, their watches synchronized once more, but the photos on their phones showed impossible landscapes that would forever remind them of the day they hiked through a place where physics was merely a suggestion, not a rule.